Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are well. I am Vaishali. His name is Anshu and he is very careless person. He doesn't have any idea about the education and he does not want to study. I always keep insisting him to study. I always say him to go to coaching and just take some education and try to do something in his life, but he doesn't understand my language. I don't know. I always keep insisting him, but he always says that I don't want to study. I don't want to go to tuition. I do not want to take knowledge about the computer. I do not want to learn English. I do not want to do anything. He is 14 years old and he even doesn't have knowledge and even he doesn't read a Hindi textbook. Don't talk about the English. English is very away from his mind. He can't understand. But I'm saying he is also not understanding. But he always keep using phone. I always says to him to just take some normal education, just clear your 12th class, and after that do whatever you want to do. But he never listens to me, and he always says just shut up, shut up, shut up. What do you want to say about him? Again, I just asked him about the spelling of the elephant. He doesn't have idea what is the spelling of the elephant. And so spelling बताइए elephant की बता elephant की बता
नो
what no
नहीं आती।
कुत्ते की स्पेलिंग बताइए
कुत्ते की जी
कुत्ते की स्पेलिंग हो गई कुत्ते की बिल्ली की स्पेलिंग आती है इसको बट उसके ऊपर कोई बड़ा वर्ड पूछ लो जैसे इससे पूछो मगरमच्छ की स्पेलिंग सुना क्रोकोडाइल की स्पेलिंग सुना क्रोकोडाइल now he has made his face like a crocodile. He doesn't know about the spelling of the crocodile. He doesn't know a single word in English. Even he doesn't understand the what is the written in Hindi in a textbook. He doesn't read. I always keep saying to do something, just study. Right now you are 14 13 years old, you have time to study. Parents only can say the student have to follow एंड स्टूडेंट हैव टू स्टडी. अगर आप नहीं पढ़ाई करोगे आपका फ्यूचर हो जाएगा गड़बड़, ख़राब हो जाएगा, भीख मांगोगे भीख. अंशु विल बी बैगर. अंशु तो भिखारी बनेगा भिखारी. इफ़ यू विल नॉट स्टडी यू विल बी बैगर, बट इफ़ यू स्टडी यू विल बी बिकम मिनिस्टर एंड यू विल बी बिकम IAS. यू विल बी हैव ए गुड लाइफ विद एजुकेशन. बट बच्चे नहीं समझता, बच्चे बिल्कुल नहीं समझते. But why he is not studying? I am telling you why he is not studying. Basically, we put him into a government school, but the situation is government school is very worst. They do not focus on students' mental health. They do not focus on studying. The government is only giving them salary, but the teacher do not want to teach the student. He is the student of the 7th class.